Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Kia Sportage door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. For safety, always disconnect the vehicle's battery before beginning any electrical work. Next, carefully locate and remove any visible screws around the perimeter of the door panel, typically 1 or 2 near the bottom edge. Now, let's tackle the handle and switch. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry off the small plastic trim piece located behind the inner door handle. Once that's off, carefully remove the power window switch assembly by prying it up, then disconnect its electrical connector. You will likely find 1 or 2 more screws hidden beneath the armrest or the switch panel itself. Remove these. With all screws removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Begin by inserting your plastic trim removal tool into the gap along the bottom edge of the door panel. Gently pry outwards to release the plastic retaining clips. There are typically 8 to 10 clips holding the panel in place. Work your way carefully around the entire perimeter, releasing each clip until the panel feels completely loose from the door frame. Almost there. Once all clips are released, gently lift the entire door panel upwards and away from the door frame. Be mindful of attached components. You will need to disconnect the door lock rod. Typically, this involves rotating a small plastic clip and sliding the rod out. Finally, unplug any remaining electrical connectors for components like speakers or courtesy lights, and your door panel is completely free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.